Today I'm going to be reviewing bulk supplements. Look at this thing. I'm going to turn around because you barely see it. It's BulkSupplements Creatine Monohydrate. Sorry, it's getting a little blurred there. This is the 2-pound bag, 2.2 actually, so 200 servings at 5 grams. It's micronized. I hadn't taken creatine in over 30 years. I lift, but I just had not been taking it. So I went back on it, heard some things about memory, I can help it, but you got to use like 30 grams, 25 grams. I decided not to do that, but I did start using it because I was lifting about 5 grams a day. You can do 3 to 5. There's usually a bulk phase. You'll want to kind of look into that, see what you want to do. If you do, 20 milligrams over 5 days. It works. What can I say? It's creatine. It's micronized now. Maybe it wasn't like that 30 years ago, but it does dissolve easily. I put it in my coffee in the morning. One thing I do notice, so if you haven't done it in a while, it does make you go to the bathroom a lot. So I have to go to the bathroom a lot more. And of course, with something like this, it can be hard on your kidneys if you don't drink enough water. So when you take it with a cup of water, but also make sure you're drinking water throughout the day and you're not getting dehydrated. There's no scoop in there. So it's just, it's a good deal compared to a lot of things out there. What's nice is it gets 4.6 stars, which is really good. I like to see 4.4. It's got over 54,000 reviews, and unbelievably 40,000 of these things were sold in September of 2025. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.